Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2014 Ram 3500 Laramie. On the front end of the vehicle we have an aftermarket LED light bar, and under the hood sits a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine that produces 385 horsepower and 850 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 18-inch aluminum wheels with bigger tires, color-matched fender flares, and a leveling kit. We also have heated power-adjustable tow mirrors and keyless entry. Moving to the back of this Ram, we have our park assist sensors as well as our LED taillights and a trailer hitch receiver. This truck has a towing capacity up to 16,720 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have our automatic headlight controls, our memory seat controls for the driver's seat, as well as heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, and WeatherTech all-weather floor mats. This Ram is also equipped with a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. Also equipped is an Alpine sound system, as well as push-button start, and a touchscreen display that shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for your comfort are dual-zone climate controls, and on the vehicle's key fob we have remote start and entry buttons. And moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our heated 60/40 split folding rear seats.